Good day, everyone. My name is Justin Angel Sibalaba, and I'm excited to present to you QuickBite, a comprehensive inventory management system designed specifically for fast food restaurants. So, this system demonstrates professional level development with complete crude operation, security, and polished user interface. Let me give you a quick overview of QuickByte's feature. As you can see on this slide, the system has three core features. One is the product management. This is the heart of the system. Add, edit, delete, view products, complete CRUD operation, image upload support, upload photos of product, real-time statistic, live monitoring of inventory levels. Number two is user management. This is an enterprise level feature. Add managers and staff via web interface. No need for SQL or command line. Edit user details and roles. Promote staff to manager. Activate and deactivate accounts. No need to delete, just deactivate. And number three is role-based access. Three-tier security system. Admin has full system access, complete control of everything, including user management. Manager, full product access, can manage inventory but not the users. Staff, view only access, can only view, perfect for frontline employees. And this isn't just a simple crude app. It's a production ready system with enterprise features that can be used by actual restaurants. First, let me show you our three-tier access control system. Let me log in as a staff member. When I log in as a staff, you can see username in top left, welcome staff member, no add product button, just a view only message. Products are displayed but notice no edit or delete buttons can be seen. Can only view inventory, filter categories, see statistic but cannot make any. So now let me log in as a manager. So enter the password. After that, as you can see, nasa manager side na tayo. Then you can edit the stock. And after that, you will see the success banner. Then it will reflect on the statistic above on how many stock you have. Then if you want to delete, then you can edit the stock and add some product. So now we have the admin side. So for the login, still we have the managerial side na may access ka sa lahat, the statistic, mag-add ka ng new product, and pinagkaiba, meron kang manage user. So sa manage user, meron din siyang statistic above kung ilan yung mga user, and then pwede kang mag-add. So for example, mag-add ka ng isang staff, so ilalagay mo yung name, yung username niya, yung password na ibibigay mo, yung email, tapos yung full name, and after that, yung role na ibibigay mo. After that, you're save. Pag na-save mo na, automatically kakalculate niya agad kung ilang user ang meron ka, kung ilang admins, manager, and staff. Then, makikita nyo, meron tayong button for edit. Pwede nating i-edit. Kunwari, meron kang i-promote into manager, yan. Then, magre-reflect siya agad, no need to change it in SQL. Pwede ka ring mag-deactivate when the user is no longer in the company. So, automatically yan, like magre-reflect agad. Then, yun. Then, check natin kung ma-open natin yung dine-activate natin na account after deactivating it. So, lagay yung username, then yung password. Yan, hindi na natin siya na-open kasi nga dine-activate na natin. So, after that, nandito na tayo sa ating dashboard overview. So, dito sa ating main inventory dashboard with real-time statistics, so we have total products, total stock, so kung ilan stock yung kung anong stock meron kayo sa inventory na to, then kung ilan yung low na stock or items na meron kayo, then kung ano pa yung out of stock na item na kailangan nyo na ilagay. So, after that, meron tayo ditong makikita nyo may add new product, then pwedeng meron tayong like green for suffi sufficient and yellow for low stock warning and red for out of stock alert. Importante yan kapag inventory system yung ginagawa natin. Then, pwede tayong mag-add ng new product. So, for example, mag-add tayo ng bagong product. For example, like tiramisu. Um, Ilagay mo kung anong category siya. Then, yung description na gusto nyong ilagay, yung price, and also the stocks. Since inventory system siya, then add the photo. So, drag and drop functionality. Tas file type is validation, is JPG, PNG, and 5 MB lang yung limit. Then, meron siyang instant preview. So, yan. After natin ma-save, makikita mo na naman, automatically siyang na-update, especially yung total products natin na dagdagan. Hindi na natin kailangan mag refresh pa para makita natin lahat in real time. So, yan. Nagbago lahat ng statistic natin after na madagdagan siya ng product. Then na yung product. So, after that, meron din tayong read and filter. So, sa system na to, i-display niya lahat ng product, pero pwede mo siyang i-filter. So, pwedeng i-filter mo siya as a burger, fries, tenders, or yung mga drinks, or yung mga dessert natin. So, yan. After that, pwede mo ring i-edit yung pinaka-product natin. Pwede mong i-edit yung price, pwede mong i-edit yung stock, kung meron na kayong stock. Yan. And save. Then, lalabas yung banner na success. Then, magre-reflect siya agad sa above. Magre-reflect siya sa statistic kapag in-update mo. Like, real time. Real time siya talagang mag-a-update. Hindi mo kailangan mag-refresh. And after that, meron din tayong delete. So, kailangan mo muna i-confirm kung hindi delete mo talaga yung product. After you click the OK, madi-delete na natin yung product. Then, may success banner ulit to confirm. Yes. After that, that's all. Nabawasan, na-recalculate niya, and real time, nagre-reflect yung inventory. So, to better understand the technical information, I've created this diagram. At the top, you can see our three-layer structure. The front-end handles user interaction with vanilla JavaScript, the back-end process requests with PHP and manage session, and the database stores all our data in MySQL with proper relationship. The colored flow diagram shows exactly what happened when a user performs a action from clicking a button to seeing the result, an 8-step process that take millisecond. So security is crucial. So we've implemented 8 layers of protection from password hashing to SQL injection prevention to file upload validation. So we have this authentication layer, authorization layer, SQL injection prevention, XSS protection, and that. And finally, our file structure is organized by function, making the code base maintainable and scalable. So this visual representation makes it clear that QuickByte isn't just a simple CRUD application, it's a well created system with proper separation of concern and enterprise levels of security. Thank you for your attention. The QuickByte inventory management system demonstrate a complete full stack solution for our restaurant operations, combining secure authentication, comprehensive inventory management, and administrative controls in a user-friendly package. That's all. Thank you.